What up? Today on H-Vision's Toy Guide review, we have ginormous Hatch and Grow Dino. 4 different dinos. You place the dino in a large container of cool water, submerged for 48 to 72 hours. That's a month. We don't have that time. Let's try to speed this up. Now we have our dino. What do you do? I do apologize about that. I lost my temper for a second there. Anyways, I'd probably give Hatch and Grow Dino 4 out of 5.
Oh, what up? Welcome to H-Vision gift unboxing. Today, we have a multi-voice changer, amplifies your voice, 8 different voice effects, flashing LED lights. Let's get into it. Now let's open our multi-voice changer. Parents at home, just be warned that you cannot open the... I got it. So I was reading the instructions and it says depress trigger. I don't know why. You're worthless. No one likes you. Your family doesn't want you anymore. Now that we've depressed the trigger, let's check it out. That's fun. Well, this was a fun toy. I'd like to give it 3 out of 5. Bonus time! Bonus toy! Bonus time! Today we have a Kawaii Squeezies. I cannot read Japanese. There are 12 available to collect. So, let's start opening it. Well, parents, if you plan on buying the Kawaii Squeezies for your kid, just be ready to spend all of your money. They are $3.99 per squeezy, and there's 12. So the problem is you never know what you're gonna get. So you might just get the same one over and over. Well, now that we have it open, I really hope I get the penguin. What is this, a freaking monkey? What do you do? Well, that's it for this episode. Tune in next week for more bonus toys and other toys.
What up? Welcome to the finale of H-Vision's Kids Toys Unboxing Christmas Guide Holidays. On this special final episode, we have a good one. Kid Uzi. Mix and match Squirty Paws. 3 colorful barnyard pals. Twist together and squirt. I I can't wait to get on in it. So let's open this. Why do they have to make it so difficult? I mean, I understand you want to protect your product, your Kid Uzi from freaking Squirties, but it doesn't have to be this difficult. You know, I don't need this in my life. Now we got them open, so let's assemble our squirts. Well, I guess it's time to do what they're advertised for. Squirt. First we have to get the water into the squirty. Mmm! Well, I think we'll be giving Squirty Pals 5 out of 5. I had a really good time with these toys.
Zach? Zach, are you okay?
Oh my god.
Zach!
Oh my god!
Oh my god, Zach!
Oh my god, is that what it looks like? I was just playing with the squeezies.
I gotta go.
Dude, no,
I gotta go.
please, is that
I gotta
what it looks
go.
like?